Bro. What's up? Man, I'm excited today. Today, we doing something special. It's the 16th, Sunday fun day. I'm gonna tell you the plan. So I booked this sick ass Airbnb. I can't wait to see this shit in person. Booked it for up until Thursday. So I'm about to cross the border. Because now that borderline, you can just cross it in like 20 minutes. I'm going to get it in. I wanted something with an ocean view. But what had happened was, let me tell y'all what happened. So I rented this car with Get Around, right? And I paid up until Sunday. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to turn this car in. Book something with an ocean view. Take my ass over there. Monday, have my coffee. Start my insurance career. That was my plan. So, what threw a monkey wrench in my plan? Wednesday, I get a text from the company. They just went out of business. Stopped doing business in America. And I had to turn the car in. Yeah, big mess. I'm like, what the fuck? Just out of the blue. And then I screwed up because it said the 13th, right? 12 a.m. But I was thinking 12 p.m. So I didn't catch it till the next morning. And so I tell the owner, I said, oh, bro, my bad. I was thinking 12 p.m. I thought I had till noon. So I turned in the car about 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. And the motherfuckers charged me a $90 late fee. I'm like, y'all done lost your motherfucking mind. They better reverse that shit. So now I'm like stuck without a car. And I'm like, what the fuck am I going to do? And I ended up having to go with Hertz. I was desperate. And they're the last people I want to deal with because I got a lawsuit with them motherfuckers next month. And they gave me a Tesla. I didn't want a Tesla. Don't get me wrong. Tesla, this car is nice. I like it. But the problem is, I got to charge it twice a day. That part is irritating. But anyway, that's what delayed my whole plan. So I had to go spend money on this. And I'm like, what the fuck? And now I'm stuck with this car. So I'm like, what am I going to do? So I came up with a plan. I go, you know what? I can't do the ocean view right now. Because I'm stuck with this car. I'm not going to put it to work. So I'm just going to cross the border every day. Now, let me get a spot that's close to the border. So this spot says 10-minute drive. I actually just sent the dude a message. I'm curious what the walking distance is. It's 9 a.m. right now. Let me see if this dude answered. Because, yeah, like 2 days ago, I picked up this lady. She goes, oh, yeah, baby. A black lady. She goes, I love TJ. She goes, oh, I said, welcome. I said, San Diego, best city in America. She goes, Tijuana is the best city. I go, but Tijuana ain't America. I said, what makes San Diego so nice is TJ. So she said, I got in line at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I was across the border at 8:20. I'm like, get the fuck out of here. That's all I've been waiting for. So, I'm definitely going live today. And so right now, Kobe and Kobe needs to wash his ass. I washed the car this morning. I washed my ass. I'm going to wash Kobe's ass. Right now, we at the pet store. Or the pet place with a dog cleaner. And, I gotta drive to Hemet, to my sister's house. Because I got a bag there with my camera. It's a camera I bought to monitor my Airbnb and some other things. So I'm gonna make some money from San Diego along the Hemet. Do my laundry while I'm there, because this spot doesn't have laundry inside the unit. So, and I gotta wash my clothes. And then I'm gonna catch rides on the way back and head south. So, Let me show y'all my view while I get Kobe. Come here, Kobe. Check me out. Oh, my Tesla. Kobe, come on. Let's go. Now wash your ass, bro. We got shit to do today. We going to Mexico. Fuck yeah. Get some nice, real Mexican food without all the preservatives in it. Cheaper cigarettes. You know, cigarettes over there is $4. Over here is $13. Shit, just my cigarette bill, I save a shitload of money. Come on, Kobe. Kobe need to see a groomer. $70 here in America. Groomer in Mexico is $25. Well, that's what it was in Guadalajara. Hold on, Kobe. Y'all check out this view. So man, I'm sitting there parking my car, right? This cute redhead chick comes walking up. She goes, hey, can I bum a cigarette? I said, yeah, you can bum a cigarette. She gave me $1 for a smoke. I'm like, good looking. So we ended up talking, chopping it up. And, you know, I had to walk Kobe. I said, you want to have a beer? She's like, yeah, we got a beer. I said, well, I got 2 beers. She said, well, I want to drink one of your beers. I said, well, let's go to the liquor store. So she jumped in the car with me, went to the liquor store. Chick actually bought me a pack of cigarettes. I was like, oh, bought her own drink. So we go back to my car and we're just sitting there chopping it up. I dropped the blue pill. I go, oh, I might be able to get some tail. And it was a wasted blue pill. See, that happens in America. I hate that shit. Y'all cats be paying $350 for them. Yeah, a blue pill can get wasted real quick here in America. But you know what? I'm going to Mexico. Those blue pills are not wasted over there. All right, let me go wash Kobe's ass. I hope this looks like this place is open. All right, Kobe, let's go get a bath. Funny, man. You funny, man. Hey, so this is where he gets a little bath. Gucci, bro. Oh, yeah. You gonna brush you up a little bit? Have a little shot, man. Anything else, let me know. Thank you. All right, Kobe. It's funny. I really do not do a good job washing Kobe. He's still dirty, but I'm taking the groomer over there. All right, man. Let's roll, Kobe. Man, I hurt Kobe's foot, man. He's in pain. Like his right paw been bothering him last couple days. And then he was following behind me and I accidentally stepped on him. There you go, Kobe. I might have to take him to a vet. I'm glad we're going to Mexico, though. Alright, I'm parked. Time to go check out this Airbnb. And I'm parked over by the trolley station. Let me make sure I got everything. Yeah, passport. I'm Gucci. Hold on. And I'm happy as hell. I got wheels on this duffel bag. Cause this motherfucker is heavy, bro. I got a gallon of water. some Patron, a fifth, some beer, some clothes. I couldn't take all my shit since I'm gonna be crossing every day. Let's take a little bit. But yeah, damn, this shit is heavy. This motherfucker didn't have no wheels. Ain't no way in hell. I guess I'll save in fuel. Cause I wonder. Oh. Cause I ain't carrying around all this stuff. Hey, this is dope. I've always wanted to live in TJ. I haven't bought a big box of condoms. I ain't bought no condoms since I've been in America. No need for them. The vagina over here is on strike. But I'm sure gonna need it over there. All right. Let me get my ass to this station. So man, I'm walking up here and I see the trolley, but that bag was so motherfucking heavy. I could not run to it. I'm like, oh well. I think another one will come about 15 minutes. Oh, look. Let me show y'all something. You might want to get these. I bought the Mismo earpiece translators. I finally tried it out today with my homie. It works pretty good, but I can't wait to have a full-blown conversation with someone that don't speak no English. But it's fucking pretty dope. I can just talk regular. They can talk regular, and then it translates. Man, I'm losing this sun quick, fast, in a hurry. I'm trying to think about the shot I want to get with the extended stick off the balcony of this spot. I don't know. No, I'll see what happens. Taking a breather. Mexico. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna ask. I had a couple people ask me. Find out if you can cross without a passport and just pay the $20. I'm about to find out. Alright. I'm in. Let's check out this spot. So I paid $366 for 5 days. Alright. Bathroom. Cool. Ooh, that looks like a king bed. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Nice bathroom. And Gucci. Alright. Little workspace. Alright. See what we working with the refrigerator. Oh, there we go. Oh, cool. Got some water for me. Alright. It's too late for me to get my shot. My extended selfie shot. But you know, I don't want to try though. I'll tell you, the pictures made it look bigger. Alright. Cool. I'm gonna at least try to get that shot. Nice, I at least got that shot. And I'm gonna see what it look like. In the meanwhile, I need to go get something to eat. Huh, Kobe? I'm gonna at least put the beer in the fridge and get ready to go live. I ain't been live in a minute. But we going live today. But I ain't ate shit all day but a pack of top ramen. And I wish this had more burners to it. But oh well. At least I got my beer. Man, I feel good already. Being in another country. I'll tell you, America, that should be depressing me. It really do. Boom! Got the Patron, baby. I ain't had a bottle of Patron in a minute. Alright, let me get my ass ready to go to the store. This is my spot, man. Kinda liking it. Oh look, is that a computer coming with? Well, I can plug in my computer there. That's what's up, man. I like it. It's a cool, chill little spot. Alright, hasta luego.